Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Owlet Dream Sock not charging. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First step is check the sensor charging cable. Ensure the sensor cable is securely attached to both the sensor and base station. Reconnect your base station to the power and check if the charging process initiate. Okay. Second step is inspect power port on base station. Examine the power port on the base station for any dirt, debris and damage, and clean the power port carefully to ensure a proper connection for charging. Okay. Third step is reset the OLED sensor. Try resetting the OLED sensor by unplugging it from the power, waiting for the few seconds and then plugging it back in. Okay. Use fresh cable if available to eliminate any potential cable issue. Okay. So with our fourth step is ensure sensor is dry. Confirm that the OLED sock is completely dry before attempting to charge it. Moisture can interfere with charging functionality, so ensure the sensor is dry. Okay. So fifth step is consider cable damage. Inspect the charging cable for any visual sign of damage such as fraying or cuts. If there is damage, consider replacing the cable with a new one. Okay. So sixth step is change power outlet. Test different power outlet in your home to rule out any issue with outlet itself. Sometimes changing the power source can resolve charging problem with the OLED sock. Okay. So guys, this is our all step. Thanks guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.